Hey, welcome to another episode of Driftsti. I'm Joel. Today I am up at some ungodly hour to go and grab a parcel that was meant to be delivered yesterday from the depot in Crestmead, so south side. It's about an hour away, hooray. But hopefully we'll have this fucking camera stand sucks. I'm pretty excited for this package though, so I mean it's good and bad. Big props to Direct Freight Express. They were actually really good customer service, so really happy. As you can see, I now have a package at wash place, as you can see. Just a quick spray over because it's covered in shit. Alright, I'm back home, made a smoothie, best shit, and I'm gonna unbox the thing in question. Mishimoto always does really good packaging. Got a little thing. Hose number 1. This hose number 2. They're braided, which is sick. And oil cooler. I'm gonna need 2 hands for this. Make this there you go. And of course, fittings. And there. This is pretty cool. Gives you a little box and everything. It's a thermostatic oil one too, so basically when it heats up to a certain temperature, that's when it opens. Should be a little bit more. Yes, they give you a nice seal. It's not like some eBay shit that's just gonna leak everywhere. Alright, so time to install it. You can see I got really sunburnt this morning. It fucking sucks. So basically I'm going to take the front bumper off. I might do a little bit of modifying on the lip because the lip is stuffed. I'll probably get a new one eventually. Maybe a plastic one this time instead of carbon, just so it doesn't shatter every 10 minutes. And yeah, I'm going to fit up the oil cooler. I couldn't get the, there's one that bolts up directly to the WRX or STI. Mine won't fit because I actually have a power steering oil cooler on the right hand side where it actually goes perfect. So I'm going to find a place on the car that it will fit, and I'll just make my own diverters so that it will sort of work properly there. So it's actually pretty sketchy. Hopefully I don't get pulled over, but it's only like literally like at the end of my street that I have to go, so we should be sweet, hopefully, fingers crossed. Anyway, I'm now going to fit the oil cooler. I found that in this space here, it's actually too big, the one that I got. So I'm going to put it down here where the spat is, sort of like through this hole here. And then what I'll do is I'll build a little, like a little diverter that will divert air in through it. Because it'll actually have to be on a little bit of an angle, and we all know that, yeah, that sort of thing doesn't work great if it's not sitting front ways. So we'll see how we go. I mean, it'll be better than it was with nothing, but yeah, that's the only place I have to put it because of my giant friggin' intercooler, the power steering oil cooler, and this small space. There's literally nowhere I can put it. And then this side's obviously the air intake with the pod filter in there. So it's like, well, basically the only spot I have left on the whole car is here. And I can't put it up here because I've got my reverse scoop and also the turbo's there. So it's probably not a great idea to sort of get oil in through that area. And now for the real reason why anyone would go to Bunnings. The Bunnings snag. so we pretty much got it all roughly together. I still got to zip tie it all up properly under the car, but now I'm going to lower it down, start it, make sure it's not pissing out oil everywhere, and should be on the final bit of it. So that was installing the oil cooler today. I'm now going to baby it home because last thing I want is oil to be pissing out everywhere. Fingers crossed that it's fine. I'm going to have to check it once I get home, but so far I don't have any oil lights, which is good. I've still got to zip tie it up from underneath properly in a way, so I'll do that once I get home. So thanks for watching, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Oh yeah, also next time I will be pulling apart the gearbox and putting it to full rear, so don't miss that. That will be the next week or the week after, depending. I need to do some stuff beforehand so I can get it all ready. But yeah, that's coming up literally next episode you see of this will be gearbox out, well, transfer case out. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you next time on Driftsti.